That's great. Well, my name is Keel. I'm the president of Augusta University, and first let me thank all of you for being here. And as you can tell by the way we are positioned and the way all of you are positioned, we are doing what we should be doing. That is maintaining social distancing. Even when you're outdoors, trying to do our best to keep this community as safe as we possibly can. This is an incredible day for us at Augusta University and for Augusta. And I just want to start off by thanking the Augusta National Golf Club and the Community Foundation for what a wonderful partnership this is, and for the incredible generosity to provide this sort of support for Augusta University and our health center, and through the Community Foundation for the great things that they're going to be doing in the community. I want to thank Chairman Ridley and the members of the Augusta National Golf Club for their incredible generosity. Augusta National has been such a huge part of this community for many, many years. And this is just another great example of what the Augusta National Golf Club does for Augusta by taking this sort of leadership role and using their precious resources and the resources of their members to support the community of Augusta. There is no question that through the generosity of Augusta National Golf Club and the collaboration with the Community Foundation, that many, many lives will be saved in this community. And I'm very, very proud to be part of this community, of Augusta and Augusta University and this health system. So with that, I'm going to turn things over to my colleague, Dr. Phillip Coule, the Chief Medical Officer for Augusta University Health System, and is an emergency room physician himself, well trained. And he's been taking many of the leadership roles and not only helping us treat the citizens of our community, but helping us educate the citizens of our community. So Dr. Coule, I'll turn things over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Keel, and it is my sincere pleasure to be here to discuss this issue, and also want to add my thanks to the Augusta National Golf Club for their generosity. As you know, COVID-19 is a challenging situation, and testing ability as well as providing that telemedicine screening is vital to making sure that we take care of our community. Augusta University is committed to taking care of our community. We take care of our patients and our community and our students, and this donation will help us do that in a dramatic way. This will help add to our capacity for providing telemedicine screening as well as testing capacity, again, which is vital for helping fight this disease. So I'd like to add my thank you to the Augusta National Golf Club for supporting us in this effort and helping take care of the citizens of the community.
So I am Shell Berry. I am the President and CEO of the Community Foundation for the CSRA. We are thrilled at the foundation to be partnering with the Augusta National to distribute $2 million into this community to help not only on the frontline healthcare needs, but also on the economic burdens that might be felt by our most vulnerable populations. So as you know, $1 million from this donation will be given to Augusta University to support the things that were just mentioned by Dr. Coule and Dr. Keel. The other $1 million will be given to the CSRA COVID-19 Emergency Response Fund. That fund was created a week ago by the Community Foundation in partnership with the United Way for the CSRA. And together, we hope to distribute those funds over the next days, weeks, and months to nonprofits and individuals who are most vulnerable to being hurt in a way that most of us can't imagine. The populations that have trouble getting something to eat, have trouble finding shelter, and have trouble finding economic security during very uncertain times. We know that there will be immediate needs, and we hope to get some of these dollars deployed out into the community very rapidly within the next week or so. But we also know that we have to be here for the long term. The effects of this pandemic on our community will not last beyond just the immediate, and we know that our nonprofits, especially our critical nonprofits that are serving in a variety of ways, will continue to need our support, both in how they respond to the critical needs that I mentioned a moment ago, but also how they will continue to thrive and survive once we get past the healthcare crisis. So we are thrilled and incredibly thankful to the leadership of the Augusta National and Chairman Ridley in partnering with us and showing great passion and boldness in their desire to do something quickly and get out into the community and provide these resources in a way that can be extraordinarily meaningful.
Thank you and good afternoon. I want to take a moment to once again express our profound appreciation for the Augusta National Golf Club. As you've heard from both Dr. Keel and Dr. Coule, and also Shell Berry, these gifts will make an incredible mark in our community. At a time where we're all experiencing one of the most unprecedented things that we've ever seen in our short lifetimes, whether it's expanded testing here at AU, which is so incredibly needed in our community at a time like this, that will allow us, as you've heard Dr. Coule say, make sure that we're meeting the needs of our community around this entire region, but also our healthcare providers. I want to say a word of thanks to all of our healthcare providers and our first responders. They have done a yeoman's job in terms of getting the first responses around testing in our community, but more importantly, every single day they're coming in, they're working, they're leaving their family members, and we need to make sure all across our community that we're giving them the due thanks that is necessary for the work that they're doing to make sure that not only do we stay safe, but we continue to stop the spread of this virus in our community. When you think about the work that the Community Foundation has done, particularly in the area of our nonprofits across Augusta, this gift of $1 million in partnership with the United Way will allow us to meet the needs of some of our most vulnerable partners and community citizens here in the city of Augusta and across this region, because they are in fact a gift around the CSRA. And so I want to echo the City of Augusta's strong support for the great work that Chairman Ridley and the Augusta National Golf Club and its members are willing to do in terms of their community support, especially at a time when so many of us were anticipating the first week of April as we look forward to it. But they've stepped up and said, we're here to support this community at this time, and again, we're so very appreciative. And we want to say thank you to our partners, the Augusta National Golf Club, Augusta University Health, and of course the Community Foundation of the CSRA. Thank you so much. I'll take any questions if you have a few.